Hi all. So this is our 10th and final video on the Scrum Master interview questions prep series. And the topic of today's video is coaching style. So here is our 10th and final question. What is your coaching style as a Scrum Master? Again, this is a very interesting question because uh, the interviewer wants to understand what different situation, different challenges, different team environment the Scrum Master has been involved and how he has overcome those challenges. So the interviewer wants to understand the different approaches one has adopted. So here is how we can answer this question. So we will use GROW model. I have used this GROW model in one of the video as well earlier as part of this series. So by GROW, we mean like 4 segments. What is the goal? What is the reality or the current situation? What are the options which are available? And what's the way forward? So as a coach or as a Scrum Master, the goal is always to help the team becoming self-organized, improve continuously, and consistently deliver value, enabling the agility within the teams. When it comes to the reality as a Scrum Master or as a coach, when I join the teams, the different teams are in different environments. They are at a different maturity level. Some need basic guidance while others need facilitation to unleash the potential. So what are the options? So as a Scrum Master or coach, I select teaching style when I realize that my teams are new and I need to kind of train them on the process, roles, artifacts, and events. I select mentoring style when the team needs hands-on support, maybe on the Agile tool as well as the backlog management or the metrics part. I select facilitative style for the mature teams, asking them specific questions, helping them to reflect and co-creating the solutions. And I select the consulting style when I need to involve with the leadership or the senior management on the aligning, on analyzing the frameworks and proposing the solutions. So what's the way forward? So as a coach, I do not have one standard coaching style for all the teams. It all depends upon the situation the team is in and how we can overcome those challenges. Because every time we go to a new team, I think the first important thing to understand is what is the goal, what we are trying to achieve with this new team. That will help us to select the right coaching style. Now, just for remembering, I thought like, can I use an acronym to remember these 4 coaching styles? So I have termed one acronym which I'm calling as LIFT, where L is the leading style. That means mentoring, guiding the team through experience, being a role model. I is the instructional style for teaching, explaining agile roles, artifacts, events. F is the facilitative style for facilitation, questioning, enabling discovery, fostering reflection. And finally, T is the transformational style for consulting. That means advising leadership, selecting the solutions, and enabling change. So we can remember the LIFT as an acronym for leading, instructional, facilitative, and transformational style. So that's all about